Hello guys, I am with my new collection. This coin is from Australia. It's called penny, also called the kangaroo penny. It's the observed side and it's portrait of Queen Elizabeth II facing right, wearing a laurel, and on the round is the script is a Latin, and the words are like Elizabeth II, DEI, Gratia Regina, FD. Is minted in Perth, Australia. And the reverse side is kangaroo. On the top is Australia 1962 penny. Okay, and the diameter is 30.8 mm and the weight is 9.445 gram and the composition is bronze. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.